Hi guys, we're back for another video.
Ah,
Today we are playing
ba yun?
my friend's game that he made, whatever. Yeah, this,
Wait,
like here,
this
here.
is Legend doon pa din.
Yeah, I'm actually recording guys.
Lahat. Lahat yung
Okay guys,
kanin nyo
this is
nabuo ko
this
lahat.
this is my friend's
Ah.
game. I know guys,
Nandiyan pa din.
I know guys, it's very dumb. I'm just kidding.
It's as small as his channel.
And also there's Easter egg of me. That's me there over there guys. Why am I holding a trash can?
He
And
probably doesn't even know where it is.
I know where it is. He had told me. Anyways, today we are here at this game. It is testing. Also, what is that
Wala
picture
pa rin si
here?
Osip dito sa jungle.
Nandyan. Come here.
Dapat may unggoy dito eh.
Nandyan nga! Shinji nandyan. Come here. Come here. Shinji, come here. Shinji,
Ikaw
come
ang
here.
usap ko.
Shinji, come here.
Nasa meeting room
Shinji,
kayo?
Shinji, come here.
Ako nasa meeting room.
Wait lang, Shinji, you need to
Tignan,
come here.
tignan nyo.
Si Yosef nandyan, no? Yosef's there.
Saan?
Dito,
It's invisible.
mas makikita nyo sa window.
Yeah.
Ito, dito.
Uy, may splinting ah.
Look na yan. Yan o.
Si Osip pa rin. Grabe.
Okay, so guys, today we're going to discuss the meeting. So you can see here by our chart, why did you... They all left the meeting. Okay,
Ay,
guys.
DJ, no? Balik na ako sa YouTube.
Really?
I
Shinji,
am now a government.
wait lang.
Shinji.
Okay, guys.
Alin?
Guys, let me talk about this
Wait, gumagana
business
na ba yung
thing.
kotse? Hindi pa din.
Okay, guys, so it's
Hindi ko
just...
naman i-ano.
Shit! God! Yeah, Shinji, come here, please.
What?
Can you guys come in? Okay, guys, can you come in? Okay, so we need to discuss about this thing. Look, all of our business went up in the beginning, but then it went downhill like a rock. What happened? Tell me what happened, Boldman. Also, who are you? Okay.
I am Jeffrey Jefferson Bezos.
Okay, then.
Ah,
I am a journalist. And why did our business go up
Joseph is so
and then
dark.
it went... and then-
Joseph is so dark, it went down.
Yes, it went down like a
Then you
downhill.
ate our you ate all of our supplies.
Hey man, it was good. Yummy. Okay.
Ay, Kia.
We
Finally,
need to
abot ko na yung microphone.
we need to put our business back on foot, okay? So we need to start from
I am giving a speech in the speech area.
Okay,
I am giving a speech.
let's go to the speech area. Okay, guys, this is the speech area. Extra what?
JJ,
Down. Sit down, all of you.
you can spectate.
Ala, tinaglahat.
Okay.
Kia, ano to? Alam ba dito si Kia, yung kalbo, yung may buhok.
Ako yung kalbo.
Ako yung may
Yung
buhok.
kalbo. Anyways, I'll just say it out loud. Hello, welcome to today's whatever this is. Today we will be talking about JJ's extra small channel. Why it sucks so much?
Boo! His channel's good!
Today I will be actually be giving something creative, unlike JJ who just steals most of his videos. Anyways,
What?
Not only videos. Wait, not only videos.
Okay, you know what? I'm going to make a
Also,
speech.
a lot of thumbnails.
Okay, you know what? I'm going to make a speech.
boo!
I need my
Let the speech
speech.
die like his channel.
Yo, I'm start shooting you in the ear like Donald Trump. Okay, so today we're going to talk about why is Japan so weird. Okay, so it is true they have the underwear in their vending machine. And their food is very weird. They eat eggs. And their eggs is not because okay, anyways, back on Japan. I think we should have a vote that we should do Hiroshima bombing again. That is very good. Anyways, we need to do Hiroshima bombing because they not only bomb Pearl Harbor, but they also invaded a lot of countries. They made the Japanese Empire. Who the heck is this? Guys? Wait lang. Sino yan?
Sinji, gamitin mo sign mo, gamitin mo mag-type ka NI.
Dude, I can hear you.
Huh? Who's this?
Guys,
Ano
sino
to?
yan?
At least,
Guys, who's this? Assume. Is that anyone's friend? Oh, no.
it's my friend.
Okay.
Lagyan mo ng G.
Anyway, guys. I think we should bomb
Di, wag
Japan
mong
again.
komplituhin.
Not
Isang G
only
lang.
in Hiroshima, but everywhere here, okay? So, no more
NIG,
Japan.
NIG.
No more Japan. No more Japan. No more Japan. No more Japan. Okay, guys, no more Japan. Let's vote for no more Japan. No more Japan.
Aw.
No more Japan. No.
More.
No more Japan. 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 Japan sucks. They have underwears in the vending machine. Boo Japan. Boo Japan. Boo Japan. Boo Japan. Boo Japan. Boo Japan. That is my
JJ,
speech
I'm
today.
gonna record. Don't say anything offensive.
Okay, that is my
I'm gonna
that
record.
is my speech
Don't say
today.
anything
Goodbye,
offensive.
guys. Now it is time for Kia's speech. JJ, get off stage. No more
Ah. Akala ko ba ako? I'm recording right now. This is my speech. Hello, I would like to talk about how
what?
how can a obese person kill this whole world?
Okay,
GG, yung mic mo sira.
I'm gonna go find it then.
Para yung GG,
What?
para mawala tong obesity world disease, kailangan natin tanggalin lahat ng McDonald's, lahat ng KFC, lahat ng mga fast food restaurants,
You
except
would
for
not.
Mang Inasal.
You would not do that.
Pero accessible lang yung Mang Inasal for non-fat customer. Bali, madedetect nila 65 below kilos.
Wow, this is what you are. You are faces. Faces. It is like races, but races for fat people. You are faces. You are faces. You are
I'm
faces.
declaring a factual law. And lahat po ng matataba
Faces.
alis na po dito.
Your faces. You are you know you're fat too. You are
Anyway.
faces. You are faces.
Fat-
Fat people matter. Fat people matter. Fat people matter. Fat people matter. Not lots of
Okay lang.
fat parts did not sit at the back of the bus because she was fat. Because she was Okay, so what? Let's have a tour. So Kia, give me a tour of your game, please. Okay, so what is this?
Okay, let's start here.
Oh,
Eto, dito kapag go to top left corner, JJ, you can choose
ooh.
jobs. That's spawn for the agent, spawn for the government. Pretty noticeable. And this is old TB.
We're on TV. We're on TV.
Pretty old.
My mic has been dead. I've been talking to myself for the
Oo nga. Oo nga,
Yeah.
Shinji. Sira mic.
Wow, it's pretty old.
Mic
Wow.
mo ulit, sira. Yeah.
Okay, now.
And here's a diner.
I think I'm lagging.
Ahem. Eto, ako nag-model neto.
Let me sing a song. To the tickle bird, everybody knows. No other set, I'm just cold.
JJ
To the lane, to the lane, to the pen, to the king, to the lane, to the lane, to the pen, to the king.
here for the past 15 minutes yelling, JD is the sole reason for global hunger.
Aha.
Okay, now go
To
to the...
Japan to the king
Japan
daw.
to the king.
Payag ka.
Okay, so this is the dining area. Okay.
Dito. Balik sa lobby. Dito.
Nakalimutan ko, ikaw yung kalbo.
Dito,
Grabe.
dito.
JJ, maybe wear the girl's hair. It's more fitting for you.
No.
Makikita natin dito, may bago ng room. Ito,
Wow!
matagal tong wala.
The batteries will be
Ito,
limited.
ano, will be limited.
Yeah. Okay.
Will be limited.
Yeah, limited.
Kaya, nilagay ko dito. Oh, no?
Wow! Limited! How is this limited? Looks like I have a beard.
Will be. JJ will be. I said will be.
Bro doesn't understand English even though it's first language.
Ayan. Okay guys, I look so
Even though he was
guapo.
born there.
Guys, I look so guapo. Also guys, this is my story.
If only that
You look
was
so
true in real life,
ugly.
anyways.
Wow.
If only that was true in real life.
Ahem, meron
This is the
pala
page.
kayong makikita. Donate.
Wala akong
Okay.
pera. Naubos ko na lahat. JJ,
I'm broke as a joke, sorry guys, like I'm broke as a joke.
sinahin ko lahat.
Sorry guys, but I'm broke as a joke.
Gambling.
Ew, books! Blech. And this is the meeting room?
JJ, we all know you couldn't read in the first place.
I hate
Anyways.
you guys. Okay,
Guys, come to
so...
the
so-
dining area. Come to the dining area. I have a joke to tell.
Oh,
A
blah,
joke
blah,
to tell you.
Okay.
JJ's channel.
Okay, can you add Apple so I can throw it at him? Bro, get off the stage!
Ako naman.
Sige, sige, sige.
Magpo-promote ako. So, alam niyo naman, hindi ba palagi na pinagtitrapan si JJ yung channel niya, wala na. Tapos, pinayback sa akin ni JJ, channel ko, patay na rin. Oy, JJ, nag-post ako for videos.
Okay, how many
Balik na ako
subscribers?
dito.
Okay, sige, how many subscribers?
11, pero at least kilala nila ako.
Ako din.
Ikaw nga din, JJ eh.
Yung views ko, masaya sa'yo!
Wanna know something funny? Yeah.
Okay.
In his latest video, the one that posted like 3 months ago, someone commented bad YouTuber. He had to comment on his old account.
No, beep! I did a beep that. Okay, so
Recorded
my...
yung sinabi.
Okay, so...
Nagre-record pa ako kanina. Recorded to.
Okay, guys. Okay,
Imagine having to go on
he-
an old account just to come back at a hater, bro.
No, that was my brother. Okay, so I'm going to make a
That
joke.
was your brother.
I'm going to make a joke. Why is Shinji's channel dead? No videos,
Wait.
no views.
In your,
No,
in your
nothing.
information, yung mga ibang tao, may channel, pero di nila ginagalaw kasi gusto nila gamitin pang subscribe, pang like, pang comment.
What?
Hindi porket walang videos, ibig sabihin useless YouTuber.
Okay.
GG.
Bakit niya sinabi YouTuber na...
Wait. Kia.
Oh.
Yeah. Nakita ko yung video na to. Kadramuse3725 said bad 1 month ago. JJ Oblepias 5971 said nah, smiley face.
That is not me.
Sino kaya yan, no?
Sino kaya?
He's a fan.
Okay,
He's a fan.
alis na tayo dito. Boring na yung nag-speech kanina.
Yeah.
Pangalan JJ.
Hindi, pangalan
I
Shinji.
love this channel.
Okay.
Okay, photoshoot next.
Okay,
Next.
photoshoot. Ano nangyari sa
Wait
buhok
lang,
ko,
Shinji
Shinji?
muna.
Okay.
Shinji muna,
JJ
Shinji.
Pinapapir.
Okay,
Okay, lapit lang, lapit.
Cheese.
Lapit.
Say cheese.
Keso.
Wala pa nga. Lapit.
Keso.
Yan. 1, 2, 3. Okay,
Yes, oh.
okay. Next one.
Dapat
Oy.
medyo kamukha niyo si Bonifacio.
Okay,
Next
so
one.
my turn.
Wait lang. Di kaya. Masyado kang malaki.
There you go! Okay, yo!
Hindi kasya lahat.
Di kasha. Noon na lang kasha.
I hate. Okay, let's just take the picture.
Kaya. Baka pag ginano mo yun sa files, hindi na yun kasya sa megabytes. Hindi na yung storage mo.
Okay, so guys,
Full
today...
storage.
Okay, I hate my friends.
Bagong PC, full storage, 4 pala.
GG, back in the day, there's no video. This is not a video camera. This is a
Okay.
Polaroid camera.
Okay, so Kia next.
Polaroid.
Okay, okay, next. Okay, let me take the picture. Okay, you look so Chinese. Okay, okay.
Wow.
Say Bing Chiling, Bing
Talaga ba?
Chiling.
Talaga ba? Talaga ba? Amerikanong...
Okay, say Bing Chiling. Okay, Bing Chiling. Say
Say
Bing
JJ's
Chiling.
channel's dead.
JJ's
Say.
channel's dead. Hashtag JJ's channel's dead.
How about hashtag that?
Yun, maganda.
How about hashtag
Maganda
Shinji's
pick.
channel is no longer alive or was alive?
Ay, hindi naman
I
siya
never even started. I never
Oh.
even started. You started and you're already dying.
No,
Always.
not.
Ah.
Yeah,
So, ayun lang guys. Masyadong na-full na yung storage ko. Meron kasi nakakaabala eh.
yes,
JJ.
yes, it's in you. Okay, so
Ko nga
this is your picture. So
channel ni
ugly.
JJ.
Okay, so guys,
Talaga ba? Buong isang buong pizza
this is for the
sinolo?
next update. So I'm going to leave. I'm going
Nung
to leave the
nag-search ako,
video now.
nung nag-search
Okay,
ako,
guys,
wait lang.
before it,
JJ.
what?
JJ, when I search JJ, it says JJ and Mikey.
Oo, yung isang YouTuber na
Yeah.
Minecraft.
Okay, guys, welcome.
Di
Okay,
kilala.
guys,
Di kilala.
okay, guys, goodbye to. This is the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And this is the game is in the link in the description. Buy it up and goodbye, guys.